What's your name and where are you from?
Hi, I'm Rudy from Paraparaumu.
Wonderful. And how long have you been working in renovations?
I have been in renovations since I started my apprenticeship back in God knows when, let's just say 57 years ago.
Cool. What made you get into the renovation business?
I love working with my hands. I love the challenge of creating things, making things, and also the biggest thing is making people happy once I've created them.
Nice. What is your favourite type of renovation to build?
I design and build 90% of what we do. Well, I do the design work, so anything that I've contributed right from the beginning with the client, helped them bring the whole project together, designing it, and then have the satisfaction of building it.
Cool. And what's one piece of advice you would give to someone thinking of renovating?
Make sure you got the right builder, someone who has got knowledge, someone who's experienced, someone who's qualified, and someone who knows what they're doing. And you'll pick that up if you're smart enough when you're just talking to them. You'll see who knows what and who doesn't know what. Choose the guy that's got the most knowledge. Don't go by price. Lack of price can buy you trouble. Price can buy you quality. Thank you.